Hello and welcome to Key Harmony Piano Academy. In today's video, we'll discuss about time signature, rest. What is time signature? A time signature is a symbol placed at the beginning of the stuff. It tells you how many beats are there in each measure and what kind of note get one beat. The structure of time signature. Time signature looks like a fraction that is 4 by 4. Top 4 tells you how many beats are there in each measure, and the bottom 4 tells you what kind of note gets beat like crochet or minim. Now, let's see what is simple time signature. Simple time signature is a type of a time signature where each measure is divided into two equal parts. The simple time signatures are 4 by 4, 3 by 4, 2 by 4. 4 by 4. 4 by 4 is also known as common time signature. It has 4 beats per measure with a quarter note receiving 1 beat. It is counted as 1, 2, 3, 4 repeated. Now, let us see the song example of 4 by 4. 3 by 4 time signature. 3 by 4 time signature means it has 3 beats with 1 quarter note receiving 1 beat. It is counted as 1, 2, 3 repeatedly. The song example of 3 by 4. 2 by 4 time signature. 2 by 4 time signature means each measure has 2 beats with a quarter note, receiving 1 beat. It is counted as 1, 2, 1, 2 repeated. Song example of 2 by 4. What is a rest? Rest is a symbol that indicates silence. Each rest has a specific duration. The duration of the rest matches the duration of the note value. The semi-brief note value is of 4 counts and the rest value will also be the same 4 counts. The minim note value is of 2 counts and the rest value also be the 2 counts. Crochet rest. Crochet note value is of 1 count and the crochet rest is also a 1 count. Quiver rest. Quiver note value is of 1 by 2 counts and the rest value also be 1 by 2 counts. Semi-quiver rest. Semi-quiver note value is of 1 by 4 counts and the semi-quiver rest also will be the 1 by 4 counts. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more content.